Part 1. Why Self-Belief Matters. Do you believe in yourself, Maya? Do you believe in yourself, Maya?
Sometimes I do, but not always. Sometimes I do, but not always.
That's honest, and that's where we begin. That's honest, and that's where we begin.
I really want to become more confident. I really want to become more confident.
Confidence starts with belief. Confidence starts with belief.
But what if I keep failing? But what if I keep failing?
Failure is a step, not the end. Failure is a step, not the end.
I always feel like I'm not good enough. I always feel like I'm not good enough.
You are more capable than you think. You are more capable than you think.
Really? What makes you say that? Really? What makes you say that?
Because everyone has potential. Because everyone has potential.
But some people are just born confident. But some people are just born confident.
Confidence is built, not born. Confidence is built, not born.
So, I can train myself to believe? So, I can train myself to believe?
Yes, like a muscle. Train it daily. Yes, like a muscle. Train it daily.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Let's repeat this. I am enough. Let's repeat this. I am enough.
I am enough. I am enough.
Again, with more strength. Again, with more strength.
I am enough. I am enough.
Part 2. How to build self-belief daily. Every morning, speak kindly to yourself. Every morning, speak kindly to yourself.
Even if I don't feel like it? Even if I don't feel like it?
Especially when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it.
So I just talk to myself? So I just talk to myself?
Yes. That's the beginning of change. Yes. That's the beginning of change.
What should I say? What should I say?
Say, I am capable. I am strong. Say, I am capable. I am strong.
I am capable. I am strong. I am capable. I am strong.
That's it. Say it every day. That's it. Say it every day.
I'll try that. I'll try that.
Also, write your goals down. Also, write your goals down.
Even the small ones? Even the small ones?
Especially the small ones. Especially the small ones.
Okay. What else helps? Okay. What else helps?
Celebrate your progress. Celebrate your progress.
But I never feel like I'm progressing. But I never feel like I'm progressing.
You're speaking English with confidence now. You're speaking English with confidence now.
Wow, I didn't notice that. Wow, I didn't notice that.
See? That's progress. See? That's progress.
You're right. That feels good. You're right. That feels good.
Part 3. Facing fear and doubt.
But what about fear? But what about fear?
Fear is normal. Fear is normal.
It makes me freeze. It makes me freeze.
Fear is just energy. Fear is just energy.
What do I do with it? What do I do with it?
Turn it into action. Turn it into action.
Action? Even when I'm scared? Action? Even when I'm scared?
Especially then. Especially then.
That sounds hard. That sounds hard.
It's not easy, but it's powerful. It's not easy, but it's powerful.
How do I start? How do I start?
Take one small brave step. Take one small brave step.
Like speaking in English today? Like speaking in English today?
Exactly. Exactly.
I guess I already started then. I guess I already started then.
You're doing better than you think. You're doing better than you think.
Thank you. Thank you.
Say this. I choose courage. Say this. I choose courage.
I choose courage. I choose courage.
Every time fear speaks, you answer with courage. Every time fear speaks, you answer with courage. Part 4. Believe in your journey. Everyone's journey is different. Everyone's journey is different.
Mine feels slow. Mine feels slow.
Slow is still progress. Slow is still progress.
I want to go faster. I want to go faster.
Patience is power. Patience is power.
That's hard to remember. That's hard to remember.
Then repeat it. I trust my pace. Then repeat it. I trust my pace.
I trust my pace. I trust my pace.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Sometimes I compare myself. Sometimes I compare myself.
Comparison steals your joy. Comparison steals your joy.
How do I stop it? How do I stop it?
Focus on your own growth. Focus on your own growth.
I'll try to remember that. I'll try to remember that.
Say, I grow stronger every day. Say, I grow stronger every day.
I grow stronger every day. I grow stronger every day.
Part 5. Push through challenges.
What if I feel like giving up? What if I feel like giving up?
Then rest, but don't quit. Then rest, but don't quit.
That's powerful. That's powerful.
You've come so far already. You've come so far already.
I forget that sometimes. I forget that sometimes.
Look back only to see how far you've come. Look back only to see how far you've come.
That's a good reminder. That's a good reminder.
Say this. I don't give up. Say this. I don't give up.
I don't give up. I don't give up.
Challenges build champions. Challenges build champions.
So I should face them, not fear them? So I should face them, not fear them?
Yes, face them with faith. Yes, face them with faith.
I'm learning that. I'm learning that.
You're doing more than learning. You're living it. You're doing more than learning. You're living it. Part 6. Affirm yourself daily. Let's do a round of affirmations. Let's do a round of affirmations.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I am brave.
I am brave. I am brave.
I am learning. I am learning.
I am learning. I am learning.
I am improving. I am improving.
I am improving. I am improving.
I am worthy of success. I am worthy of success.
I am worthy of success. I am worthy of success.
I believe in myself. I believe in myself.
I believe in myself. I believe in myself.